Good evening, or rather good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Vijay Vikram Singh. He's done a wonderful introduction, but you'll be completely excused if you don't know my name. You'll be completely excused if you don't recognize my face. Although अगर फैमिली मैन देखा होगा हाल फिलहाल में आपने तो आई एम वेरी श्योर कि कोर टीम का हिस्सा आपने ज़रूर मुझे पाया होगा. But it's all right. But trust me, I'll send people home if you don't recognize my voice. A voice which tells you दोपहर 2 बजे. This is my introduction and this is my cheap thrill. Your response. So this has been both a boon and lately a bane as well. A lot of people think that since this is the voice, so this is the person who runs Big Boss, which is not true. I'm just a voice actor who narrates the show and I don't run the show. But anyway, we are here to talk about something which I discovered very late in my life, at the age of 29 to be precise. But before I come to that, let me start with a very simple thought. Most of us spend our life asking the wrong question. And trust me, I'm here speaking about it. I asked the same question my children, I think last week. Beta, what do you want to become? Or we ask ourselves, what should I become? Whereas the right question is, who am I really? Because the first question is an invitation to imitate. When we say what you want to become, you just want to become someone whom you have seen. And not because we lack talent, but because we lack permission to be different. गालिब साहब कहते हैं कि नक्श फरियादी है किसकी शोखिए तहरीर का, कागजी है पैराहन हर पैकरे तस्वीर का. Which means every image that you see, every form that you admire is already wearing someone else's clothes. So coming back to my own discovery of X Factor, this voice, which is my identity now, which is my career now, until the age of 29, I didn't even know that it can have commercial value. In fact, at the age of 29, after doing my MBA and working in a semi-government organization, when someone told me that you have a good voice, I said, no, but I can't sing. That was my limitation. That was my limitation, that I did not know that my X factor did not lie in something that I wanted to become, someone else that I wanted to become, but within myself. We misunderstand the X factor. It is not the talent that you find, it is the shape that you carve. देवियों सज्जनों, X factor खोजा नहीं जाता है, तराशा जाता है. लेकिन उसको तराशने के लिए एक सफर पे निकलना पड़ता है. That journey of exploration, of self-discovery. My discovery of my X Factor began that day when someone said, you have a good voice, to which I responded, no, I can't sing. In response to which, that person took me to a studio. Just imagine. So basically, God had his own design to make me aware of my own X Factor. So that person took me to a studio, and in that studio, I heard my voice for the first time the way people hear it. Of course, my first reaction was similar to how others react to their own voice. And now I know, as an expert in this area, not an expert, as someone who knows a little bit about this area, that phenomenon is called voice confrontation. And what is voice confrontation? When you hear your voice and say, oh my God, who is this person speaking? Right? That is how we respond to our voices. That was also how I responded, but there was another response from the studio engineer, जिसने कहा कि ये किसको पकड़ के ले आई हो. And I heard that. And he went on to say, इसकी आवाज़ तो अच्छी है, पर इसको बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. So is it a positive thing or is it a negative thing? Well, it depends on how you see it. Okay? Well, it depends on perspectives, basically, ladies and gentlemen. There was a picture that I wanted you to see. So when that person said, ये किसको पकड़ के ले आई हो, इसकी आवाज़ तो अच्छी है पर इसको बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, I was the one who was painting that picture. I said, oh my God, he just said that I have a good voice. I said, oh my God, he said इसको बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, वो तो मैं कर लूँगा. So, the discovery of X Factor happened at that moment. But what is X Factor? X Factor is that uniqueness in you. is that individuality that makes you different from others. It is not something that you want to become because you've seen someone becoming that. But is it easy to identify? No, it's not easy to identify. Hence, I have devised a 3-step process that you can also execute in your life to identify your uniqueness, your X factor. And what are those 3 levels of filtrations? The first level is the mirror, the authenticity. Is this me, or is this my uniqueness, or is this an echo of an idol that I am following? Because remember, if you're just a copy of something or somebody, you will have an expiry date. Your uniqueness will not have an expiry date. So the first filtration process is the mirror, where you stand in front of that mirror. A mirror is a notional thing. Basically, you try and identify your uniqueness, your authenticity. And that authenticity should not come from your peers or people that are close to you. एक दोस्त ने कहा कि मैं बड़ा अच्छा गा सकता हूं, तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं गाने को अपना करियर बनाता हूं. That is not the filtration process that you need to follow. मेरे पास बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग आते हैं. मेरे दोस्त ने कहा मेरी आवाज़ बहुत अच्छी है. मैंने कहा तुम क्या सोचते हो? नहीं, मुझे भी लगता है कि मैं अपनी नौकरी से ज़्यादा इसमें कमा सकता हूं. मैंने कहा जाओ. The first step itself is wrong. The second filtration process is, in my case, it was the studio. In your case, it will be the testing, wherein have you tested that skill as a professional in an unbiased environment? You want to become a cricketer. Have you gone to a cricket field? Have you trained with cricketers and tried to figure out whether you have that talent or not? And the third filtration process is the transaction or the viability, the commercial viability. Has a stranger offered to pay you for this? किसी ने कहा है कि आप ये करिए, मैं आपको इतने पैसे दूंगा. अगर कोई तैयार है तो ठीक है, तब तो आपके अंदर वो एक्स फैक्टर है. वरना वो सिर्फ एक शौक है, जिसको अपने तक रखिए, अपने को खुश करिए, अपने को बहलाइए. प्रोफेशन बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. एंड एनीवे वी लिव इन अ डे एंड एज जहां पर हमसे कहा जाता है कि मेक योर पैशन इनटू अ प्रोफेशन. Is this that easy? No, it is not. First of all, identification of passion itself is a very long journey. And every passion cannot be translated or transformed into a meaningful career. So, ये 3-step का filtration process, if you apply, you will figure out your own X factor. And then you can take an informed decision whether this is your X factor, which can be your career or not. Why do you need to identify your uniqueness or X factor? Or why should you keep exploring? You should keep exploring because Oscar Wilde once said that if you decide too early what you want to be, you becoming that is your biggest punishment, because you could have been so much more if you just embark on the journey of exploration. Ladies and gentlemen, that day when someone told me that I have a good voice, that they pushed me into a journey of exploration. I started exploring. And this journey of exploration led me into me becoming so many things in the last 16 years. I am a voice actor who has voiced all the major reality shows in the country except Shark Tank. I have given my voiceover for every reality show that you've seen or you would have seen on television. I have had the opportunity to give my voice to the best of the brands. I have had the opportunity to be an actor in the last 8 years and work on some of the biggest shows in the country. All this happened because I embarked on a journey of exploration. I am a voice and communication coach now. I've had the privilege of training the likes of Sharvari Wagh, Sanjana Sanghi, Sushmita Sen, and currently I'm training Imran Hashmi in voice for his film Avarapan 2. This happened because I embarked on this journey of exploration. Although I read Oscar Wilde now, but I understood his philosophy 16 years back, that I don't want to be just this one thing. I want to be so much more. But this journey of exploration is not easy. This journey of exploration is filled with potholes and ditches called failures. इस सेल्फ अवेयरनेस और खुद को ढूंढने की जर्नी में आप कई बार गिरेंगे, और हर बार गिरने पर हम विचलित हो जाते हैं, जबकि हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि गिरते हैं शहसवारी मैदान जंग में, वो तिफल क्या गिरेगा जो घुटनों के बल चले. You are meant to run, not crawl. And we decide to crawl because we get in the trap of safety. We are not meant to have safe careers. वो एक Instagram पे बड़ा पढ़ते रहते हैं कि ships are safest on the shore, but that's not where ships are meant to be. Ships are meant to sail. We are meant to fly. But as a society, we treasure and appreciate success so much that we sometimes cushion our children and ourselves from failures, which becomes the biggest impediment in exploring or trying new things. Novelty lies in trying, because otherwise, what remains is something called regret. तो अगर मलाल रखना ही है जिंदगी में ना, तो परवीन शाकिर की ये 2 लाइनें याद कर लीजिएगा कि मलाल है मगर इतना मलाल थोड़ी है, ये आंखें रोने की शिद्दत से लाल थोड़ी है, मज़ा तो तब है कि हम हार के भी हंसते रहें, हमेशा जीत जाना ही कमाल थोड़ी है. So ladies and gentlemen, I am on the journey of finding my X factor and discovering new X factors about myself every day. I implore you to start that journey today. Thank you very much.